Manpac holds public convention on Citizenship Amendment Bill at Lamyan Basanglen. Attendees criticized President Ramnath Kovind for favoring the contentious bill. Hoiri Lemarol Mayrapai Apunba Manipur warns of carrying out third Nupi launch against Citizenship Amendment Bill. A combined team of Manipur Alliance for Child Rights MACR 43 Assam Rifles and Manipur Police rescues 40 trafficked Nepali girls in Mori town. A new framework of trial for DTH and cable operators comes effective from today. Subscribers will need to choose their own channels and packs. Hello and welcome to Impact News, watching Primetime English News. I'm Kangzam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. One-day public convention on CAB 2016 was held at Iboyama Sumangklila Sanglan Palace compound today. Manipur People Against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016, Manpac, a conglomerate of 73 civil society organizations of the state, organized the convention to gather public opinion on the contentious bill. Initiating the convention, Manpac member Ningthaucha Lanta condemned President Ramnath Kovind for favoring the bill without considering the sentiments of Northeast natives. He said statements of the president in favor of CAB in his opening speech of the parliament's joint session yesterday clearly shows that he as a president failed to understand the ideology and sentiment of the Northeast people. Ningthaucha Lanta alleged President Kovind of disrespecting indigenous inhabitants of the Northeast states in favor of foreigners. He reiterated that people of Manipur and other Northeast states strongly condemn President Kovind for his statement. Ningthaucha Lanta also condemned Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh for buffering the people with unrealistic assurances.
Yellow meeting Sibu Awang Poklam Dagi Mutat Katabani, Hyper Warrior Makogi Tamoy the Lady Habisli, Narang Ramnath Kovind, President of India, gave off from Dunayam, the Mayek Sangale. Raja Sabada passed of Driba Bill Amakok, India the President pre-approved over, Mana Masi approved over Badunangi Badunati. India the President shook House na yadring ay da mana approved over the mong the ngangi bado pre-approved to ribado yam na unconstitutional oy mong ni madusu ya pam tokte madusu akoy na condemn to India the Honorable Home Minister Rajnath Singh na ngarang Manipur gi chatkiba Honorable CM yawba political party khadagi apunba team maduda amukasu awang no poklam da mamadi Manipur gi miyam yellow mi singa se Kangani protect togani haitane assurance pibi re ba hawahi se Hanjan nam thak toba hanjan na akoi apang basiba yamna redundant oiba akoi na tabada yamna waba adugumba posak amani.
President of GDU Manipur State Unit Hankan Pao Title said that the statement made by President Ramnath Kovind in favor of Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 during the Parliament's joint sitting yesterday confirms guaranteed passing of the bill in Rajya Sabha. Speaking to media at JDU office in New Chekon today, Hankan Pao Title expressed apprehension over the high possibility of passing the contentious bill in Rajya Sabha and enacting it into an act. He worried that BJP-led government at the centre has no regard for consideration for Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren-led state government as it was proven in the recent Manipur University crisis. Hankan Pao said efforts of the all political parties team led by Chief Minister N. Biren to urge the centre either for withdrawal of CAB or to insert a special clause in the bill will be futile. He also said that JDU did not attend the all political parties meet called by the Chief Minister as the meeting was behind time. The JDU president asserted that JDU has always good stance against the bill even before it was passed in Lok Sabha and that the party will continue to stand against the bill. Hankan Pao disclosed that he will lead a state JDU team for Delhi soon to urge national leaders of JDU to prevent passing of the bill in Rajya Sabha. He also said that the team will meet with students from Manipur undergoing agitation against the bill in Delhi.
India President na Joint Parliament session da address to bukanda masi bill se soidanamak Rajya Sabha da pukhalakani amasung pass taura bajai haibesi kanna mi paiba amasu pokpasida Rajya Sabha gi JDU akhoi Rajya Sabha gi leader RCP Singha Sunday da ai unagani ai North East in charge General Secretary su unaraga haiba yaba aduga latest development do amung loruraga paraya mayam da so soidana khanghalakani useless voiceless gutless sarkar asi BJP Central Leadership na thajadaba karesu oina khandaba leadership amasung BJP lead government ase oiram leba.
All Manipur Muslim Organization Coordinating Committee Amokok, SWC and YCL jointly organized a public meet on the contentious bill at Manipur Press Club today. Speaking in the meet, Amokok President SM Jaland urged people to introspect on the unrealistic assurances given by central and state leaders that the bill will not harm the state. He urged everyone to mobilize against the bill. Jaland asserted that people want withdrawal of the bill and not mere addition of a clause. He termed the Chief Minister's effort to insert a clause in the bill as similar to retaining the bill.
Nangi clause ama hapchanba, sentence ama hapchanba, comma hapchanba, semicolon hapchanba nate, bill si totally withdraw tawai basini. Karigimo hiram ama fogada, bill si justify tawnanaba, masibu achumbani hana kankananaba, hiram ama foglaite, manamaduna masi, anti people loiba, in anti indigenous loiba, anti Manipur loiba, anti Northeast loiba duguma bill ni. Asigumba miyangi loiba aspirations, miyangi loiba dugumba aningba, miyangi sentiment, miyangi demand se, nathairaga punanaba honaganu, I was a koi razniti Chingbasinda, Mamita Kurumbi, Tindabayaro, Manipur Tunglam Chakidamag, Manipur Tungi Kunayamagidamag, I could Chapchana Madu Pireplanaba, I could Punsan Minerasi.
President of Manipur People's Party MPP Oinam Jugindro forewarned of another June 18 uprising if Citizenship Amendment Bill is ever passed in Rajya Sabha. Speaking to media at MPP office near Polong Ground today, Jugindro stated that an MPP team submitted a memorandum against the threatening bill to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh on January 30 in New Delhi. He warned that the party will take up various stations along with people of the state if the bill is ever passed in the Rajya Sabha. The MPP president demanded Chief Minister Nongtam Bambiren to declare his stance on the contentious bill instead of beating around the bush.
North Eastern the Labour Loina Manipur Labour Praza Punamak Semasi Pongo in Naraga Sigumba Bill same way Namna passed over Havigi Wakal the past over Nihana MP Lowy Maramaduna MP Masi Hagyabang Amoy Amasung Masi Mayok the MP na Leokani Manipurgi Amadi Awang Poklam the Labour ethnic group sing Semasi Kangani Havigumba Home Minister Gi Nakai Chengdaba Kogi Manipurgi Chief Minister Gi Nakai Chengdaba Sam Stada Akoi Siga Kara Tayonaba Moyo Koga Manada Port Semasida all political party Kongjasida MVP na taliba demand hariba bill semasi withdraw tawdabani habase yadraba amadi masida makoina tasannadraba adugo betaradi akoi tongan ba khongjang kya sangkhelakani tangai phadragadi Manipur party na Manipurna Bharat yaudingi amangda leramba pre major political status to demand toguni haidana tanna lapado madu khongjang do koi changjangani.
Imphal Municipal Corporation IMC cooperatives teased sit-in against CEB at IMC office gate near Kanglapa today. Taking part in the protest, Ward Number 3 cooperator Hizam Nutan Chandra asserted that IMC cooperators strongly condemned the bill. He assured of full cooperation from IMC cooperators for the all movements against the bill.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯕꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯔꯂꯤꯌꯥꯃꯦꯟꯠꯀꯤ ꯂꯣꯛ ꯁꯚꯥꯗ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯔꯥꯖ꯭ꯌ ꯁꯚꯥꯗ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯕꯤꯜ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯣꯖ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯞꯄ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯖꯕ ꯉꯝꯖꯔꯣꯏ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯃꯈꯩ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯤꯗꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯝ.ꯑꯦꯜ.ꯑꯦ ꯃꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯦꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯄꯥꯡꯖꯒꯦ.
Poiri Leimarol Tumairapai Apunba Manipur observed the 15th death anniversary of former president of the organization, Ima Kombi, today. The observance was held at Lamphel Sanakaitel, where Ima Kombi breathed his last. Speaking on the sidelines, President of Poiri Leimarold Mairapaibi Apunba Manipur, Longzamt Memchobi warned that women folk of the state are ready to carry out Third Nupilant against Citizenship Amendment Bill. Leaders of various women organizations took part in the memorial observance. Floral tributes were paid to the portrait of Hizam Chanu Ima Kombi, who played a pivotal role in initiating Mairapaibi movement and other movements for resolving various social issues in the state. Attendees also observed 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to the late eminent women leader. Bharatiya Kisan Sangh Manipur branch in a press release appreciated announcement of Pradhan Mantri Kisan program in the budget session of the parliament today to provide subsidy of 6,000 rupees per year for each farmer in 3 installments to be transferred directly to farmers' bank accounts. A combined team of Manipur Alliance for Child Right MACR, 43 Assam Rifles and Manipur Police rescued 40 trafficked Nepali girls in Mori town today. The girls were trafficked from Nepal to the Deccan to be taken to Southeast Asian countries via Manipur. Speaking to media at Manipur Alliance for Child Rights office in Sagolband, Moirang Hanuba, MACR convener Montu Ahantem said that an NGO in Nepal informed Delhi Women Commission regarding trafficking of around 70 Nepalese girls in the age group of 16 to 20 to Southeast Asian countries via Manipur. Upon getting the tip of Manipur Alliance for Child Right along with SP Technopol as Ibomcha, personnel of 43 Assam Rifles and Manipur Police Anti-Human Trafficking Unit carried out search drives at various hotels in Mori town and Mori Gate number 1 today and rescued the trafficked girls. Women's Meanwhile, city police teams also arrested 3 persons suspected to be involved in the trafficking. Police and MACR have already started investigation to apprehend other assailants. Montu appealed to the state government to deploy special unit at Moray to prevent such incident in the wake of the ACIS policy.
Crime against women, amasung crime against children say nomagi hingale. Pokso case magtadalang nahandaju mayama thokre aduna hariba public ta appeal tawjari that any angang ama swana tawduna suspected oina maze maungda abuse tawbiba natraga mabu traffic tawba yabagi chingnaba leragadi hariba child line da phone tawbiu 1098 natraga Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights natraga hariba Manipur Alliance for Child Rights da phone tawbiraga hariba angang se kalauzi.
As part of security measures in the state, City Commando Unit under the supervision of Additional SP, Imphal West Police TH Krishna Tombi carried out cordon and search operations around Mizorkhul today. 366 individuals were verified during the drive held from 7:50 a.m. to 8:25 a.m. 18 individuals without proper identification proofs were handed over to City Police Station for further verification. Two girls were killed in an accident bomb blast at Laisok Sungbung under Khopum Police Station in Noni district today. The victims are identified as Akinua Kamei and her sister Gaikonliu Kamei, daughter of Paudinglu Kamei from Laisok Sungbung. Impact News sources said the siblings accidentally picked up the bomb while they were playing in an open paddy field around 11 this morning. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on TRI's new DTH rules, which is effective from today. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Telecom Regulatory Authority of India TRI's new framework for DTH and cable operators is effective from today, under which subscribers will need to choose their own channels and packs. DTH providers like Airtel Digital TV, Dish TV, Tata Sky have already put out channel lists on their official websites. TRAI previously said in a statement that the migration from the old framework after January 31, 2019 will be smooth and interruption-free and there will be no blackouts. Last year in December, TRAI extended its December 28 deadline to the end of January 2019. Under the new framework, DTH cabled MSO subscribers can individually select and pay for channels they want to watch per month. Five-day-long Khongjom Parva festival organized by Integrated Cultural Association sponsored by the Ministry of Culture at Khongman, Zone 3 Ashram Hall concluded today. Speaking in the event, Assistant Professor of Manipur University of Culture, Dr. Bakhonmani Mangsaba, stressed the need for a state policy to preserve art forms of the state. He stated that if the much-awaited state cultural policy is ever implemented, Khongjom Parva, the indigenous musical art form, can be revived. He lamented that poor financial conditions of veteran arts instructors contributed to dying of the art form. Bakhonmani expressed sadness that students of Manipur failed to enroll for Khongjom Parva course even if the course is available in Manipur University of Culture, while people from Cuba and Thailand are eager to learn the art form.
Akoisin napal haibase napal natri aidi ko mixing meet of the singthana da bugumba kariyam da man bum yauri engondati singa ina nungai trisira khangni da khangdo min trisi aske ka do ngodu su Khongjom Parva tara ga what are the elements Khongjom Parva da kari yauri what is the relationship between Khongjom Parva da yauri literature masike aesthetics kari no ga ina ngang di am sang ngang ni adu ga seisak po seisak bising de adu khangjaba na te moidi performer ni moidi konjen puthoga mi bu nungai no macha moina khangjapo wari do chena lishingum pamalai to parga haibnati man sajan jabane sajanna bagi posi kadai di poklake haibido pong mangun jogi man tham dar su maun othok bagi loibe nai dise lairi koin iraga haibnati karina hairino hoito maun the inborn quality mala ieba adui potune koina tamdur se adui root to thibam changi.
Communist Party of India, RSP, Forward Bloc, NCP, BSP, PRAZA and AAP in a press release informed that the parties held a condolence meet upon the untimely demise of former joint editor of Kholaut Jefong and senior sub-editor of Naharul Gi Thaudang, journalist Santiranjan. The final interview of Startup Round 2 will be held from February 7 to 12. Planning Department Director Dr. T.H. Munindro stated that the department took up various strategies including coding system for fair selection of the right applicants. Speaking to media at the Planning Department office in Babura today, Director Munindro, who is the chairman of Startup Innovation Cell, stated that 3,966 applicants was registered for Startup Round 2 2018-19, out of which 3,691 applicants are in idea stage and 274 applicants in the revenue stage. Munindro said interview for those in the revenue stage are almost completed, and among the 3,691 applicants in idea stage, 375 applicants who fulfill certain criteria with brilliant ideas have been selected. Munindro further added that members of Startup Innovation Cell, divided into 3 groups, examined the applicants into 3 groups by coding system without the names and address of the applicants. He said the final interview will be select the winners out of the 375 selected applicants. The planning director welcomed any failed candidates for clarification. It may be mentioned that the startup program was initiated by the state government to encourage local entrepreneurs and generate employment.
Nakoigi labor performance, Nakoini Samito information do. High criteria Sigi Makada, pointed ni Sigi Makada Nakoigi Sinja, Loinum evaluate Tony Hibese, Akoigi applicant Sinchi, the Loinum email that high. Tim Ohumjina, Nasagi evaluator, Ohumjina evaluator, evaluate on the completely blind henny. Aina mima favoritism, Taugeros, Idum late, Man, they must Massa Kangmanite Canano, Kong the Kanda Kangonte, and my own evaluate Tauraga. Akoina finally Masaka Maminga Kwanana, Kanana, Kayam, Pangi, Kanana, Kari, Tawi, Hibagi, Kana, Kanage, selection to the Yawi Yaudi have a minga Kwanana, Kange. Akoigi, Gamingi instruction, the Gi, Akoina Pangtuk Jeriba, Akoina Taujeriba. It is 100% PR game. See the Iki bias Waiba, personal interest, insert Oviaba, Rumamta Late.
District Election Officer Imphal West in a press release invited applications in prescribed form from electors of the Imphal West in the age group of 18 to 28 years for participating in pending competition on the theme Inclusive and Accessible Elections. The competition will be held at DC office Lamphel at 10 a.m. on February 8. Top 3 winners will be given cash award of 10,000, 5,000 and 3,000 rupees respectively. Prescribed forms are available at room number G15 of the office. Free LGP connections were provided to 35 women beneficiaries under Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana at Phumlau Gram Panchayat in Sekmai today. The distribution under Gram Swaras Abhiyan was held in collaboration with Kurkul Haikam Indian Gramin Bitrak at Senzam Chirang Community Hall. MLA Sekmai Haikam Dingo, Phumlau JP Pradhan Maisna Manik Chan, and member Sorok Khaibam Chauba attended the distribution program. Speaking to media, MLA Haikam Dingo said, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched Ujjwala Yojana to encourage smokeless cooking for better health of women in the rural areas and to save environment. The MLA assured of ensuring the scheme to every women beneficiary of Sekmai through elected GP Pradhan and members.
सिनेमा मरम ओरकांदा अखोई हक्चांगदा कैंसर नाबगी अदगी लंग्स की डिजीज मैम अमा थोलकपगी नतना प्रकृति की ओइबा खलसिंग से काइथरकपगी मरम जे कन्ननबीदमक्ता पांदम अमखक्सुने अदुना अखोई लेरिबा नेचर सिंग असि तसेंग नाक सेलगा प्रॉब्लम थोक्तनबा अखोई बुनुक्सि चाना फजना थंबिरगा अखोई नेचर सिंग सिगा अखोइगा पुन्ना लेमिनरकांदा अखोई यामना शांति लेबा याम पीसफुल ओइबा समाज अमा संसार अमा सेमननबा अखोई मैम पुन्ना होनमिनसि प्रधानमंत्री उज्ज्वला स्कीम नसिदेदा कनेक्शन फंगदबसिंग मखाताना कनेक्शन सि तौबिरकांदा अखोई हेना हक्चांग फबा पोल्यूशन थोक्तबा
Social Welfare Club Yanglam Makalekai is organizing state-level open, junior and sub-junior Sepak Takraw tournament for boys and girls under All Manipur Sepak Takraw Association (AMSTA) at the club ground on February 12. Interested candidates may avail further details from the AMSTA office or the club. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manpack holds public convention on Citizenship Amendment Bill at Lamianba Sangland. Attendees criticized President Ramnath Kovind for favoring the contentious bill. Poiri Lemerol Mayra Paive Punba Manipur warns of carry out third Nupidlant against Citizenship Amendment Bill. A combined team of Manipur Alliance for Child Rights MECR, 43 Assam Rifles and Manipur Police rescues 40 trafficked Nepali girls in Mori town. A new framework of trial for DTH and cable operators comes effective from today. Subscribers will need to choose their own channels and packs.